Imagine a world where AI doesn't just process data, but reasons, thinks, and solves problems like a human. OpenAI's Project Strawberry is pushing the limits of what's possible, while a groundbreaking new chip from eachud is set to supercharge AI. Could this be the dawn of a new technological era? What does this mean for the future of science, technology, and our daily lives? Stay with us as we uncover the answers. What exactly is OpenAI's Project Strawberry, and how does it push the boundaries of AI reasoning? How will Project Strawberry be integrated into future versions of AI like ChatGPT-5? Could AI with human-level reasoning revolutionize research and technology? How might eachud's new Suhu chip change the future of AI hardware and performance? Welcome back to our channel AI Finds. Today we're diving into the future of artificial intelligence with OpenAI's groundbreaking initiative, Project Strawberry. This ambitious project aims to pioneer human-level reasoning in AI, bridging the gap between current AI capabilities and human cognitive abilities. Artificial intelligence has come a long way in recent years, but there's one area where it still struggles: reasoning like a human. Despite their incredible abilities to process and generate information, current AI systems often fall short in tasks that require common-sense reasoning and complex problem-solving. This is where OpenAI's Project Strawberry comes in. Let's start with the challenges. AI models today are capable of impressive feats, from generating coherent text to engaging in sophisticated conversations. However, when it comes to tasks that require a deeper understanding and reasoning about the world, these models often stumble. Recognizing logical fallacies, solving puzzles like tic-tac-toe, or planning multi-step tasks can be perplexing for AI. These tasks are simple for humans, but incredibly challenging for AI systems. One of the fundamental issues is that AI models tend to hallucinate or fabricate information when confronted with problems requiring common sense or logical reasoning. This limitation highlights the gap between human cognitive abilities and the current state of AI, underscoring the need for innovative approaches to enhance AI reasoning. Project Strawberry is OpenAI's ambitious new initiative aims to bridge this gap by developing AI models with advanced reasoning capabilities. According to inside sources, Strawberry represents a novel approach to how AI models process and utilize information. Unlike traditional models that primarily rely on vast data sets for training, Strawberry focuses on refining the post-training phase, enabling AI to apply its knowledge in a more reasoned and human-like manner. The core idea behind Strawberry is to enhance the AI's ability to plan ahead, understand the physical world, and solve complex multi-step problems. There is a view that Project Strawberry will be integrated into future iterations of GPT, such as GPT-5. OpenAI has outlined a framework for developing machine intelligence, with the ultimate goal being autonomous organizations capable of functioning without human intervention. This vision extends beyond just intelligent models. It requires robust software architecture and seamless integration of various AI systems. By doing so, OpenAI hopes to replicate the kind of intuitive, common-sense reasoning that humans excel at, but is incredibly challenging to encode into an AI system. This represents a significant leap forward, as improved reasoning is seen as the key to unlocking the true potential of AI. Project Strawberry is seen as a natural progression of the QAR project. QAR, which many speculated to be an internal search algorithm or a pathfinding logic system, aimed to enhance AI's reasoning capabilities. The consistent message from OpenAI leaders like Sam Altman has been that AI will eventually be able to conduct research autonomously. This ambition is not just about advancing AI, but also about revolutionizing various fields of study by drastically reducing the time and cost associated with producing new PhDs. The implications of enhanced AI reasoning are vast and far-reaching. Imagine an AI that not only processes and analyzes data, but also formulates hypotheses, tests them, and draws logical conclusions independently. This could revolutionize numerous fields, from scientific research to software development and beyond. AI could autonomously conduct deep research, exploring new areas of knowledge much like a human researcher. OpenAI's goal is to enable their AI models to perform what they call deep research. This means the models would be capable of autonomously browsing the internet, gathering information, and using that information to conduct research and solve problems without human guidance. This capability could lead to groundbreaking advancements in science, technology, and beyond. While OpenAI's Strawberry project is highly ambitious, it is not the only effort in the AI community focused on improving reasoning capabilities. Tech giants like Google, Meta, and Microsoft are also experimenting with various techniques to tackle this challenge. However, Strawberry appears to be OpenAI's primary focus for advancing AI reasoning, setting it apart as a potentially transformative initiative. Let's explore the potential of Demio by OpenAI and imagine what could happen if combined with Project Strawberry and Etched's Suhu chip. Interestingly, Strawberry shares some similarities with a method developed at Stanford called the self-taught reasoner, or STAR. The STAR method enables AI models to bootstrap themselves into higher intelligence levels by creating their own training data. This self-improvement approach suggests that AI could continually enhance its reasoning abilities without constant human intervention. OpenAI is notoriously secretive about its research and development, and Strawberry is no exception. The details of the project are being kept tightly under wraps, even within the company. This secrecy is telling, as it suggests that OpenAI believes Strawberry could represent a significant breakthrough in AI technology. The company has privately signaled to developers and other stakeholders that they are on the cusp of releasing technology with significantly more advanced reasoning capabilities, likely referring to Strawberry. Recently, OpenAI showcased a demo of a research project with new human-like reasoning skills at an internal meeting. It indicates that the company is making serious progress in this area. Additionally, sources have reported that OpenAI tested an AI internally that scored over 90% on a math dataset, a benchmark of championship-level math problems. Such achievements highlight the potential of Strawberry to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. If Strawberry lives up to its promise, it could usher in a new era of AI capabilities that we can scarcely imagine today. AI systems with advanced reasoning abilities could transform numerous aspects of our lives, from scientific research and technological development to everyday problem-solving and decision-making. In addition to OpenAI's efforts with Strawberry, there are exciting developments in AI hardware that could further enhance AI capabilities. A startup named Etched, founded by two Harvard dropouts, has introduced a new AI chip called Suhu. The Suhu chip could drastically improve AI performance and capabilities, challenging NVIDIA's dominance in the AI hardware industry. NVIDIA's GPUs, like the H100 and B200, have long been the industry standard for AI hardware. Etched has already raised $12 million and secured pre-orders worth tens of millions of dollars. They have also partnered with TSMC to manufacture the 4-nanometer chip, which will help scale up production in their first year. While these advancements are still theoretical, the potential of the Suhu chip could lead to exciting new AI products that were previously impossible due to GPU limitations. As we look to the future, it is thrilling to imagine the new possibilities these technologies could bring into our lives. However, it is also important to approach these advancements with caution, considering the ethical and existential questions they raise. By fostering responsible and ethical AI development, we can harness the full potential of these groundbreaking technologies to create a better future for all. The rapid advancements in AI, as seen with OpenAI's Project Strawberry and Etched's Suhu chip, signal a transformative era for technology. Project Strawberry's focus on human-like reasoning promises to revolutionize AI's problem-solving and cognitive capabilities, pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve. Simultaneously, the Suhu chip from Etched aims to supercharge AI performance, offering more powerful hardware to match these innovations. Together, these breakthroughs could lead to unprecedented growth in science, technology, and daily life. What are you most excited about with Project Strawberry by OpenAI? Let us know in the comment below. Thanks for watching our channel AI Finds. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest in AI technology. See you next time.